I'm down at Toms River, New Jersey, visiting my dear friend Jerry. And Jerry, Kathy, and myself are here at 600 Main. This is the Victorian tea room. Here's the outside of the building. This is the Victorian tea room. This used to be an old mansion. Look at that. The grounds are so beautiful. There's a porch there with all wicker furniture on it. It's absolutely beautiful. Very, very pretty. Well, I'm going to go inside now because our tea is waiting for us. This is the wraparound front porch. Look at the beautiful wicker furniture out here. So pretty. Here's the other side of the porch. Beautiful. We have a gorgeous day too. Let me see over here. Oh, here's the sign. This was the, or it is, the Mathis house. When you come in, there's all kinds of hats. And you can pick out a hat and wear it while you're having your tea. I think I have to get a hat now. Look at this. What do you think, everyone? Is this nice or not? Beautiful. We just entered the front door. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous. Look at this, everyone. So beautiful. This is the room on the left that you enter. Oh, look at this. There's a Christmas tree and it has all hats and handbags on it. Oh, how absolutely adorable.
Look, you like my hat?
Oh, here's my friend Jerry. Oh, look, she got her hat. Hi, Jerry.
Hi.
She's modeling her hat. Oh, here comes my friend Kathy. Hi, Kath. Oh, look at them. The two divas. Don't they know that I'm the Baking Diva? They think they're divas today.
You need to get a hat, Dolores.
I have to get a hat, too. Oh, look at this over here. How beautiful.
Here's Dolores, the Baking Diva, at the tea room at 600 Main in Toms River.
My girlfriend Jerry is the cameraman today, yes.
And I am probably the worst person to take this picture, but I'm trying very hard.
We're going to have fun. You like my hat?
I like that hat, and it matches your outfit perfectly.
Oh, all right, we'll see you later. Oh, look at this. My goodness. Beautiful fireplace. And look at the little carriage over here. Oh, look at, there's Jerry again. She's trying on another hat. Oh, Lordy.
I love it. I love to play house.
Look at here. This is absolutely beautiful. This is all when you come in the front door. Look at this piano. Oh, how pretty. Beautiful. Oh, look at the table. How pretty it's set up. Look at the teacups. How adorable. I am just loving, loving, loving this place. They just seated us. Oh my goodness.
My mother had that set right there.
Yeah.
What is this room we're seated in?
The glass room.
Did you see that, Dolores?
The glass
the platter with the little...
Oh, I have to go look.
Oh,
look at this fireplace. How beautiful. Beautiful. Jerry, thank you for having me down today.
Oh, I'm so glad. I knew you would love this place.
I love it.
Yes.
And this is
Here's
the pineapple.
lovely Kim. She's at our table. Hi, Kim.
Hello.
Hi.
Nice
And she's
afternoon to have a tea.
bringing us our tea. Oh, look.
Yeah, we have blood orange. We have decaf apricot. And we have pineapple upside down cake.
Oh, how beautiful, and these little tea caddies.
It's on that other table.
I just love it.
On the other table.
All right, time for my tea.
Miss Dolores having her tea.
Oh, I'm having my...
Is this a video one?
Yes.
Blood orange tea.
Blood orange. Let me take a sip of this.
So beautiful with her hat on. You were made for this place, Dolores. I'm telling you.
I'm the diva. Here's the ladies.
Oh, yeah.
Taking their first sip of tea.
Oh,
How
wait.
is it, Jerry?
Delicious. I love it.
Delicious.
Pineapple
What
upside
kind
down
did you?
tea.
Oh, you're
Pineapple upside down cake.
Oh my goodness! And what kind did you get?
Apricot. Very good.
And I got the blood orange.
You know what I like?
Our first course was that delicious pear and mandarin salad.
Oh, yeah.
And now this is our second course. It's a, girls, what's the name of this soup again? Potato and
chicken.
Hi, I'm here at 600 Main. This is a beautiful tea house in Toms River, New Jersey. And I'm here with the manager, Kim. Hi, Kim.
Hello. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. We just finished lunch here. It was delicious from beginning to end, and I would definitely come back here again. And thanks to my friend Jerry, we're visiting her down here. She brought me here. I think Jerry's been here many times, right, Jerry?
Yes.
Yes, they know
Remember
Jerry
Jerry.
here. Now you have how many rooms that you serve tea in?
We have our tea room, our library, our dining room, and our sea glass room. And that's where you had your lunch today, in sea glass.
It was fantastic. Now, do you have any idea how long this has been here?
We've been here for about 5 years.
I think Jerry told me. Isn't this also a bed and breakfast?
Bed and breakfast. We have 5 bedrooms. We have full size, 2 queen size, and 2 king.
Can we get to see them today?
Oh, Kim's going to let us go upstairs and see the bed and breakfast.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay, well, it was wonderful. I loved it. I'll
My
definitely
pleasure.
be back. Now, who owns the restaurant?
Susan and John Noddy.
Okay, and this used to be an
The
old
owners.
mansion?
Yes, this is a Mathis house.
The Mathis
Yes.
house, okay. Alrighty. Well, Kim's gonna take us upstairs to see the rooms for the bed and breakfast. And once again, if you enjoyed my tour of 600 Main, give me a thumbs up on my channel, make a comment,
And come visit.
and come visit this tea house because you will not be sorry.
That's right.
See you in a minute. I just walked upstairs. Kim is taking us. She's showing us the bed and breakfast portion of the tea house. Oh, look what the pillow says. The ornament of a house is the friends who frequent it. Here's the Lady Genevieve room. Oh, how pretty, with the 4-poster bed. Very lovely.
We have
Very
a period
nice.
bathroom,
There's a
right?
bathroom. Oh, look at the nice bathroom over there.
Yeah, this is the, oh, look at the tiles, Catherine.
Very
Look at the tiles.
pretty.
Yeah.
Very, very
Oh, is
nice.
that like an original, or is that what?
Beautiful.
It looks like,
No.
yeah, it's a newer set, right?
So cozy.
Take a bath.
This is the Lady
Sure.
Samantha
Look at that mirror.
bedroom at the bed and breakfast.
Oh, gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Stools to get up here, though.
So very
Beautiful.
cozy.
Oh, you had to clean it.
Cozy room.
Very cozy.
Yeah.
How nice that is. And here's the bathroom in here.
Look at the mirror.
Look at the mirror in the bathroom. How pretty. It's in the shape of a heart. I just love this. Here's the sink. Gorgeous. This is the Princess Victoria room. Very elegant. Isn't it elegant, girls?
Yes, it is. They have a little. Look at this
that.
little desk, and you can even put your makeup on here.
Nice. Oh, makeup. Did I hear somebody say makeup?
We like
Makeup? The diva likes makeup. And the
This has a TV too, not bad.
Yeah,
they all have TVs. And look at this bathroom. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. She said these are all on this side of the house are all the original bathrooms. Look at that. Oh, look at that sink over there. Love it. Love it. This room is the Countess Stephanie bedroom. Very nice.
These tiles. You'll never see them like that. Ever. Even inside the sink, Joe.
Very nice.
Yep.
Oh, cute. I just noticed that.
Lovely.
The designs of the outside.
Look at the bathroom off of this room. Oh, look at the tub. I like that a lot. And look at the sink over here. Ooh, how pretty. Girls, who wants to come and stay at the bed and breakfast?
Yeah, I do.
Look at this. Beautiful.
These are crazy.
Kim just told us that the rooms are all named after the owner's nieces and her daughter. And I believe this Queen Alexa room, Alexa is the name of her daughter. Very pretty. Oh, look at this. If anyone loves the old Victorian style and wants to have a nice little special evening, you have to come to this bed and breakfast. Then you can see all these things in person. Oh, look how cute. This is in the
Yes.
this is in the corner
I
of the Queen Alexa room.
Yeah. Yeah.